fighter from the blue corner, wearing the blue with violet trunks, official weight 106 pounds, professional record with 8 victories, 4 defeats and 3 draws, with 2 of these victories coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the Bani Pride of Ubay, Bohol, introducing Pablito Balidio! And his opponent, the fighter from the red corner, wearing the black with silver and white outside and boxing gym. Official weight 105 pounds, professional record with 20 victories, 5 defeats and 2 draws, with 12 of these victories coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the former light flyweight champion, introducing Joey Babyface Canoy! 8 rounds of boxing.
Pero mayroon ko lang.
Magulan kit sa ano daya. Mga basiyo. Magulan kit sa basiyo. Magulan magarabuyan kit sa basiyo dia.
Oy, tama.
Start of the first round.
Dosig ka ano iba? Pero dasig, dosi na roto dante ba? Knockout.
End of the fight! Our next fight will be the co-main event, Gabriel Santissima versus Giovanni Tagusi. Ladies and gentlemen, after 1 minute and 40 seconds in the very first round, we have a